happening now at 6.
A major announcement in Montgomery. A company plans to turn the city's mounds of trash into lots of electricity.
Now in HD, coverage, community, commitment. This is WSFA 12 News at 6.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Bob Howell.
And I'm Valerie Lawson. Montgomery will soon catch the eye of people around the world.
The capital city will be on the cutting edge of green energy technology, where all of our trash and garbage collected in town will be converted into electricity. It'll be the first operation of its type anywhere in the world, and City Hall is very excited about the possibilities. WSFA 12 News reporter Eileen Jones with tonight's top story.
Eventually, gone will be the days of dumping trash at the city landfill and creating the ugly mounds of debris. There are attempts to cover it up, but it's still unsightly.
First step will be the negotiation of the contract, which is pretty simple.
The mayor says he has already agreed to most of the company's proposal. It's Huntsville's Plasma Waste Recycling that plans to set up a plant on the landfill site. And when the trash and the garbage come in, they will be put in that pink container. And it's then dumped into the furnace next to it, where at 3,000 degrees, the trash and garbage will be turned into natural gas. The natural gas is later burned, producing steam from water, and that's turned into electricity.
We will be on the leading edge of this, and if it works, Montgomery will be front and center in the universe, frankly, on garbage and sanitation disposal.
And after the contract is finalized, there must be a feasibility study, and that could take up to a year. And then getting needed permits, and after that, the plant will go into operation, all at very little cost to taxpayers.
There is no money by the city being used except for paying some attorneys to develop the contract.
The company, PWR, will spend millions getting the plant set up and operating. It hopes to get its money back from investors and selling electricity to Alabama Power. Now, the city anticipates getting about $2 million a year over the next 20 years from the project. That will come from the reduced cost of operating a landfill and leasing the site to a private company, and from tipping fees. That's when people outside of the city bring their trash here to dump. Bob?
Thanks a lot, Eileen. One of the unanswered questions, however, is who's going to join the city in disposing of their trash here? The proposed plant can handle 1,000 tons of trash a day. The city right now only produces about half that amount, 500 tons a day or so. The mayor is now talking to Prattville, Montgomery County, and others about disposing of their trash and garbage here once that plant is up and running.